Hey, what's going on, everyone? John Cope again from Cope Racing Transmissions, and welcome back to the CRT channel. We're going to go over how easy it is to go to our website and buy yourself an overhaul kit for your transmission. We're going to pick out a 727 race kit, which is our most popular kit. I'm going to show you how to go to the website and buy it, put it in shopping cart. Then I got a kit right here, and we're going to talk about what's inside the kit and what makes it such a good kit. So stick around. When you're on a computer, you can go to our website, which is located at coperacingtrans.com. And once you get on the website, you will see the easiest way to get to the product is on the right-hand side is the product categories. And everything is put in alphabetical order. So you got bands and blankets, bolt and sprags, and so on. So when you go down to rebuilt kits, you'll find that there's a few different kits. We got them for the 727s, the 518s, the 904s, and then we have them also in stock, high performance, if you have a billet drum or if you don't. For this demonstration, we're going to click on 727 race rebuild kits. And then you have three options. The first option is will fit the years 1962 and up. It'll fit all years, so it's like a combo kit. So if you're in the market and you're not sure of what year transmission you have, if you buy the 62 and up, it will cover all the years. If you know you have an early, there's a 62 to 70, and then there's a 71 and up. Click on the kit or on the link to the kit. It will give you a description of what's inside the package. It'll give you a part number and the price, which that is outdated, and then a couple pictures. Just go ahead and put this into your shopping cart. You first have to log on. You have to log in or create an account and then put that in your shopping cart. Once that goes to me, I check them every day, and then we'll get the product to you. But this is how you use the website. It's pretty easy. Alrighty, I got the kit here. I have the kit here. I'm going to show you everything that is included in this kit. This particular one is a 727 race kit for a 71 and up. So it's going to have the seal kit, which is the paper, rubber rings, and seals for a 71 and up. It's going to include the front seal, the rear seal, a pan gasket, the pump seal, the pump O-ring, the clutch seals, the servo seals, and a pack of sealing rings for the pump, the drums, and whatnot. I also include a set of Teflon sealing rings in this kit for the pump stator and the input shaft. I like giving these to the guys because these work really, really good with high pressure valve bodies. I know a lot of old school guys don't like using Teflon sealing rings because they don't air check very good, but if you use them dry, they're fine. If you want, you can always put the steel sealing rings on that come in the overhaul kit, do your air check, and then go ahead and go to your Teflon rings. But these Teflon rings will last a long time compared to the steel rings when it comes in high pressure valve bodies. It comes with a Dacron filter instead of a brass filter. I like these filters better. This is a single hole for a 66 and up. If you have a 62 to 65, get that kit. It'll have a dual hole. That way you'll have one for the front pump and one for the rear pump. Then the clutches that are in this kit, this could vary from time to time. They will all be 4 clutches for the rear drum and 5 clutches for the front drum that you can install into a clutch drum that normally would only take 4 clutches. I've been getting GPZ clutches lately because they're on aftermarket Ray-Bestis high performance clutch that is, I don't want to say easier to get, but the red Altos, I've been having issues getting them. Then I get a batch of Altos, I get a couple hundred Altos, and then the GPZs go on back order. So, I mean, they're both good clutches, both either the Ray-Bestis GPZs or the Alto Reds. I kind of prefer the GPZs. I've been using them a little bit more, but they would both work in a particular application. So all these clutches are 62 thousandths. So how you get 5 clutches in a pack that normally in a drum that normally only has 4. The 4 clutches factory are 92 thousandths. So what we do is put in 5 clutches that are 62 thousandths, and then that's how we get them in that drum. They also come with 3 choline steels for the rear drum and 5 choline steels for the front drum. And then usually if you use a snap ring that is right around between in the 60s or the 70 thous, you can get your clutch pack clearance. The clutch pack clearance will vary just a little bit between valve bodies, and you can get that when you get a valve body. I give you all the specs for that. Also, you will get a catalog with every order. These are the new ones that just came out for this year. It's actually also my first catalog that doesn't have transmissions in it. Since we stopped doing transmissions, it's strictly just parts. So the race kit is for the person who has a transmission that is probably relatively fresh or hasn't been sitting out as a core. If you have a core and it's never been cracked open and you got to start from scratch, the build it yourself kits would be better, because they include the bushings, the washers, the race kit, a 4.2 lever billet servo, a deep pan. It includes everything. But this is for a guy that, let's say you already got a valve body, you already have a deep pan, maybe a bolt and sprag. This kit is good for doing a transmission that's probably been running or is not just a core. If not, it's a good place to start. I recommend you get a pump bushing with this. It's not included in the race kit bushings. The bushings, the bands, anything performance, bolt and sprag servos are separate. But if you want everything, then look at the build it yourself kits. They're labeled for each individual transmission and horsepower levels, starting at 500 to 1,000. So we got a kit for 500, 6, 7, and then 8 to 1,000 on the build it yourself kits. As far as what this will take, it doesn't matter. You can put this race kit in a 727 behind a slant 6 all the way up to a good race motor. This is our 727 race kit, and just because it's got the word race in it doesn't mean you cannot use it on the street. It's just a name that I give it. I could have changed it from stage 1, 2, 3, and 4, but our 727 race kit will work in any street application, off-road application, 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, a mud bog pulling truck. It doesn't matter. It's not limited to that. So don't be fooled by the name. If you have a street car that's making, a couple ponies, and you want to put 5 clutches in the stock drum that took 4, you can do that. Or if you have a billet drum already, then that kit is called the Max kit, and it comes with 5 thick clutches that'll fit in there. So that's the kit. We have them for 727s, 904s, and the 46 REs. It's really easy to operate that website. But by chance, if you're completely internet illiterate and you want to talk to me, that's not a problem. You can call the shop at 219-374-0100. Ask for me. A lot of times during the day, I'm building valve bodies or taking care of things in the shop. So I'll either call customers back on my lunch, which I take about 1 or 2 o'clock, or at the end of the day after 5 o'clock, after things have calmed down and everyone has gone home. Again, the website is cultracingtrance.com. This is just a quick video to show you what our website is like for this particular item that we're selling, and I'm probably going to do more of these in the near future. So thanks for watching. Mopar to you, and we'll catch you on the next one.